Hello everyone, Michael Gass PDS Equipment. We're going to talk about ROI today. Got to walk to my mailbox. It's very cold. I'm trying to be one of those cool people that make a video while they walk. We'll see how that goes. All right, so ROI stands for return on investment. There's a difference between ROI and just making a capital purchase that's going to make you a profit. ROI traditionally is going to be you spend X amount of money, you're going to save X amount of money. Give you an example real quick. I used to sell processes and products to large format printers, and I would come to them and say, hey, this is your situation. If you spend $70,000 on this product, it's going to cut your waste by X, it's going to cut your overtime by X, it's going to cut your reject by X, and it will put this much in your pocket. The machine will pay for itself in 18 months, and you will be profit after that. So that's your traditional ROI. The reason ROI doesn't fit as well when you're purchasing a machine that's going to make money is because how much you're going to make is and how much you're going to put in your pocket, how much you're going to put back towards the machine, gets a little more complicated in the formula. That's why we've got our job costing formula that we've got. If you want that, reach out to me. I can get you a copy of that. We've got it all over the internet. So what you're going to do when you're looking at making money is you ask yourself three questions. Number one, what can I sell? Number two, how long will it take me to produce it? And number three, what's the profit going to be? Two of those numbers are fixed. The third one, the first one, what can I sell? Well, that's up to you, but we have plenty of people that can help you with that. Very few of our customers can justify a machine based off their current situation. A few can, but it's very few. Most people are buying it, understanding they're going to have to hustle and make it happen. And we have loads of success stories based on that we can help you with. And we can get you in touch with, and we can put you in touch with people like Riley Black that can help you with marketing. So many resources we have in that area. So what you do is you look at your situation and say, if I'm willing to put this into it, if I'm willing to sell this, knowing it's going to take me this long to produce it, knowing I'm going to make X amount of money, what does my financial situation look like? And we plug those numbers in, and then you can decide if it makes sense. I often see people posting, is there a cheaper machine out there that I can use? There are cheaper machines. They're slower, they're more expensive to run, they don't last as long. Might be an entry-level machine for you, but most of the time it's just something that you find out, yeah, I can do this, wish I'd have bought the nicer machine to begin with. So it always comes back to, do you believe in yourself? I have basically customers that want to finance. We have a few. Let me check my mail. No mail. It's freezing cold. Maybe they didn't run today. Those that can't get qualified, I would just say this. Be honest with yourself. Look at that. Work on your credit score and move yourself in a position that you can. We have customers that couldn't get qualified, came back 6 months, a year later, got qualified, ended up buying multiple machines from us. So you can come out of that situation. But some people are just afraid of a big number. And if you're one of those people, if you're afraid and you can't get out of that, then you're just going to talk yourself out of a possible success story. So look at what the machine costs, what it can make you, and that can determine what you want to do. And again, if you want to put real world numbers to that, we've got a formula out there that will help you. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Michael Gass PDS Equipment. By the way, this applies to UV printer, sandblaster, laser, etching, all kinds of equipment. Thanks. Bye-bye. Hey, one more thing I forgot to talk about. When does it make sense to finance? Yeah, I've moved back in front of the nice warm fireplace now. All right, when does it make sense to finance? Some of us, we have no option. If we're going to get the machine, we're going to have to finance. You just simply ask yourself, here's the payment. Here's what it should be putting in my pocket. Here's how hard I'm willing to work. Does it make sense? And again, we can do the numbers on that. But there are people out there that have the option to either pay cash or finance. Which should you do? And that's real simple. You ask yourself two questions. Number one, when I pull that money out of my resources, how does that affect my cash flow? Number two, you put a real world number to that cost. Let's say I own a $40,000 piece of equipment. It's going to cost me $250 a month to finance, whatever it is. I'm making up numbers. And you ask yourself, would I rather have $40,000 in the bank, or would I rather pay $250 a month? Answer those questions and you can decide if it makes sense to finance or not. That's it. Thanks.